Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a look at a brand new floor plan from Thor. This is the 2020 Thor Aria, model 3902. We are going to take a look at the outside features first, then the inside features, then I'm going to give you the 3 things I love about this motorhome and the 3 things I dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, again my name is Matt from Matt's RV Reviews. It's the world's only channel that gives you a true unbiased review about everything when it comes to RVs. So if you find reviews like this useful, consider subscribing. And again, as you take a look at this beautiful Class A gas or Class A diesel motorhome, the Aria, let me tell you some technical things first. This is built on a custom Freightliner chassis with a 6.7 liter Cummins 360 horsepower engine with an Allison 3000 transmission. Also, it's on a straight rail chassis. It's on a raised rail chassis, not a straight rail chassis. I'll show you that in a second. But let's get started with the front up here. New for 2020, Thor added their logo. I really like it. It lights up at the nighttime. You have these nice LED lights, and these are your daytime running lights right there. One-piece fiberglass cap up front with a huge windshield right there. Over here you do have chrome mirrors on the side. Notice how one mirror is right here and the other one's over there on the other side. They're not symmetric, but they do that so there's no blind spots. Also, to help with blind spots, they do have a camera right up there so you can see down your left side and right side. Front doors here. Your diesel fill-up is right here. You have a fill-up on this side and the other side, and it's a 100-gallon fuel tank. Also, I'll have all the rest of the specifications, like the tank sizes and everything, down in the description below. Also, model is 3902, but the actual tip-to-tip length is 39 feet 11 inches, which makes it 1 inch less than 40 feet, which works for a lot of campgrounds. Here's a little bit of storage, and then these 3 bays right here. This is where you get this fantastic pass-through storage. Nice, I didn't even know this. Look at this. We didn't option it. Oh, okay. So it has 1.5 trays. So this station right there, look how it doesn't go all the way through. But they added this so you can use all that space. Aluminum slam latch doors, so you know they're shut. This one you have storage, and then this one you have pass-through storage. Now this one you can access on both sides, and this is what I mean when I say it's a raised rail chassis. You see that rail right there? When it's up and you get this pass-through chassis, that's more expensive than the competition like a Palazzo or a Pace Aero regular one. They'll use a straight rail chassis. It's just a lot better to do it this way. Also inside, you do have porcelain tiles, and Thor does give you replacements because it's a motorhome. Porcelain tile floors do break sometimes. And a little bit more storage here. Cool. Frameless windows throughout this whole RV, and then here's your awning right up there. I love how the awning is on the slide out, so you still get plenty of awning space, and it is an armless awning with wind sensor, so if the wind blows too hard, the awning will automatically retract itself back in. Television on the outside, insignia with a sound bar. This is, so you have a residential refrigerator. This is a control panel, not control panel, but an access panel to get to like your bypass stuff in your refrigerator. Here's where you fill up your portable water. Nice big 22.5-inch tires. Of course, it's a diesel. Here's some of your batteries. And then it does have solar standard from the manufacturer. You'll see that when I go up on the roof. Also, this is a 2000 watt inverter, so you're able to run your residential refrigerator. Let's go up on the roof and check it out. So up here on the roof, you can see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4 slide outs. Very spacious. This is a TPO roof with a 12-year warranty on it. Not 1, but 2 air conditionings. Both of them are 15Ks, by the way, standard. Here's your 100 watt solar panel, and it is prepped for 2 more. You have like your max fans right there. And then right there, that is your satellite dish. Great, and if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button. Who else is gonna get up on the roof of an RV to show you all the great features that it has to offer? Great, come through here. Well, before we do, the hitch is rated for 10,000 pounds, and you can truly tow 10,000 pounds. The GCWR on this coach is 45,000 pounds, and the GCWR is 35,000 pounds. So you can load this sucker up, and you still have a true 10,000 pounds to go down the road with. Oh, right. Oh, also a camera for the rear. We forgot about that. Right here, here's your surge guard protector. It does come standard. Here's a couple more batteries, and that's your 50 amp power cord. And then you do have, this is an air filter for the engine. Right here, here's where you have your DEF. It is 14 gallons, and Freightliner, they have a gauge on the dashboard area to tell you when you need to fill up more. Here's your, what I like to call the sanitation station, your wet bay. You have your black and gray dump, your water purifier system, your main tank fill, and everything else, outside shower, low point valves, all right there. Great. Right here is a weird spot for a water heater. Instant hot tankless water heater. And okay, and then all the rest of these is pass-through storage. And then your generator is going to be up here. So this is your auto leveling hydraulics, and your generator should have a plug. There we go. All right, here's your generator. It is a Cummins Onan diesel 8000 generator. Plenty of power to power up your whole RV. You want to know something else, Will?
What?
Did you notice what I did today with my outfit?
Oh yeah, you matched it.
Damn right. That's how we do it on Matt's RV reviews. It looks great on the outside. Let's go check out the inside. All right, when you first enter the 3902, since it is diesel, you have this front bus style door, but get a pan shot of the inside. And while you're doing that, I do want to remind everybody, something that really helps me is when you guys leave comments down in the video. So do me a huge favor, leave me a comment. What are some of the things you love about this Aria, and what are some of the things that you dislike about it? Because I want to hear your feedback as well. So up here, when you first enter this stairwell, it does raise up to become flush. Not only that, both these seats swivel, and this one actually reclines. Over here in the cockpit area, here's your nice station. Diesel, it is air ride suspension. Got a nice air horn. You know, this is your control panel, your auto leveling, your transmission, and everything's up here. And then you do have navigation on this screen, and your camera for your left blinker, right blinker, and reverse is right there. Above, you do have cabinetry above, which is very nice. It's hidden hinge cabinetry. So like these hinges here, you don't need to zoom in, but these hinges here, can't see them because they're hidden. And Thor, they use the same cabinetry in their Palazzo, Aria, Venetian, and Tuscany, which is really nice. And what's very unique is, even though this is a diesel, you still have this bunk over the cab, which is very nice, and it's simple to use. You just push the button and it's down, and you can hold 500 pounds. Great. In the living area, as I said, this is a new floor plan and it's a little unique. The 3901 had, stand back there real quick please, sorry Will. The 3901 had that sofa there, this sofa here, and then the dinette right there. Where this one, what they're doing is, they're putting the whole thing right here, right across from your television. Now this does recline. These two recline, and this one is a tri-fold bed. I showed you the tiles on the outside, but you can see the beautiful porcelain snapstone tiles. They're very easy to replace. Again, it's a motorhome. They will break. That's why there's replacements. And then here's the dinette. Now, one thing I really love is how big and wide this dinette is. Some of those dinettes, they're just pointless. They're so small you can't even use them. And then you have this huge television right here. Over here, you have a fireplace. Also, you have pantry space right there. And this fireplace does pump out heat. Here in the kitchen area, you have that. It's a little peninsula. A pull-out peninsula. I just thought of that. Plenty of countertop space here. It is a Corian countertop with a dual stainless steel sink. Induction cooktop right here. No oven, but you do have a microwave convection oven, right? Plenty of drawers. Drawers, or as they say in New England, drawers. Plenty of drawers. And then right here, you do have a nice tile backsplash right there. Over here, you have a little bit of artwork. Fancy. This is your control panel. This controls absolutely everything. Auto gen start and everything. Zone cooling in here, really nice. And then this is your Whirlpool residential refrigerator. Very nice. And then you have a little bit more storage here. Oh, that's nice, that's new. So you see this feature? That's brand new. You don't need to zoom in. But you know what was happening, Will? People were having these, and they were turning too hard, and they were coming out. That's why they added those latches. Pretty nice. Single bathroom in this unit. Oh man, check this out. Jack and Jill sinks, or Jill and Jill, or Jack and Jack. However you guys want to do it, we're fine, man. We just like camping. And then check out this beautiful one-piece fiberglass shower, just like that. Man, this is nice. And then obviously you have a porcelain toilet right here. And it's important to note that you have plenty of leg space to drop the kids off at the pool. And then right here is your tankless water heater command system. Coming into the master bedroom, you have dual entrance. You can come in from the bathroom or you can come in that way. You have a nice king size bed. No storage under the bed. You have plenty of cabinetry above. Some reading lights there. USB ports right by the bed so you can charge your phone at night. If it's noisy, that's because I do have the engine running right now. But this is your back wardrobe area. You have a TV right here. Plenty of drawers. Oh, I'll leave that open. There is an access panel for the engine right in here. And then this opens up like that. Oh, check that out. Okay, that's nothing. It's nothing. Okay. Well, you can show it, but it's nothing. It just actually looks fancier that way. That's a pretty nice touch. They didn't have to do that. And then right here, it does come standard with a Whirlpool stackable washer and dryer. And then here's a little bit more storage there. Great. So that's the 2020 Thor Aria 3902. It's now time for me to give you the 3 things I love about this unit and the 3 things I dislike about it. What should I do first?
3 things you dislike.
Okay. 1, 2. Okay, let's start on the outside. I got it. You know what? I'm not even going to do that. I'm just going to show you a clip of the extension cord. Here. This 50 amp cord, for this price point of a unit with an MSRP of like $321 MSRP, yeah, that's $321,000. It should have a power cord reel. It should have a power cord reel. I feel like the way that power cord was placed, it was a little sloppy. So that's number one. Number two, your key is left side. I've never seen that. The keys are always here. That's not a big deal, but it's just kind of weird. That's a dislike, you know what I'm saying? And then three, my third dislike was the size of this refrigerator. This is nice. It's a nice refrigerator, and it's, you know, the second or third biggest refrigerator you can get in an RV. But for me, I would have much rather had less storage and that bigger double door refrigerator. But at the same time, you know, there might be a reason why that refrigerator might be too big for, you know, the symmetry of the motorhome. I don't know. So those are three things I don't like about it. Let me tell you the three things I do like. First and foremost, in here, look at this bathroom. Absolutely beautiful, big, gorgeous bathroom. Toilet placement's right, shower's big, double sink. I personally like the one big bathroom over the bath and a half that's smaller. That's number one. Number two, I'm gonna combo it, Will. I'm gonna say the kitchen area. I love this pull-out peninsula. I'm gonna hashtag that. Hashtag pull-out peninsula. And I love this dinette. Solid surface countertop, tabletop. Solid surface countertop, tabletop, which is really nice. And it's just a big dinette, which is important, you know, if you have guests and you're trying to eat. And then the third and final thing I really love about it, let's shut this baby off. Great. Third and final thing I love about it, this storage right here. The thought that went into this of, hey, it's not fully passed through, but let's add this tray so you can use up all the square footage of the underneath storage was a great idea, and whoever thought of that did a really good job. But that's it. That wraps up for this video. Do me a huge favor. Leave in the comments below, what are 3 things you loved about the Aria, or the 3 things you didn't like about the Aria? Leave that in the comments below. If you have any questions about this motorhome or anything RV related, send me an email. It's mattsrvreviews@gmail.com. If you haven't already, hit that circle button to subscribe. And if you want to see other comparable motorhomes to this Aria, I'll have videos right there. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you next time.